All right. So I'm here with my brother. You see it.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Right now, I'm turning on the fucking torque box. The cam box. I ain't got it. I just got the head on. Old motor. Done.
Oh, yeah.
With the piston at? Oh, right there. Little something missing.
That's what it was, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Long hours, late hours.
Right, bro.
Don't settle for less. Revitalift Triple Go with procreate plus hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It visibly reduces from L'Oreal.
She'll be back.
Real food.
We got new heart now.
Right. Oh,
Gas tank, bro?
yeah.
This motherfucker has a, well,
With the fuel pump.
all right.
Still
Fuel up there, yeah.
If someone tries to steal your Butterfinger, call the BFI. Whoa, we going here.
Polaris, the big boy.
No one listens.
The fun part is when you get in the trail.
It's a lot to drive with 5 kids in the car.
That's what we do it for.
I have to fill up my gas tank twice just to see my parents. We try to make it up here as much as we can. It is a big commitment, but it's worth it. I want my kids to learn as much as they can from my parents.
Right.
Saving money on gas from Walmart
ultimate
would
goal.
allow us to see
Do
them
it
more
for.
often. I love that.
Introducing Walmart Plus with member prices on fuel and more.
It's a nice head there. It would be real pretty if you would have had a sandblaster.
So yeah,
You're the new girl. I was told to look out for you.
I heard somebody got one.
Okay. Nice one, too.
I know somebody that knows somebody.
Hey, I'm going to put the video up for that, too.
Right.
We put that together. And really, shit, I put together my rendition of the best YouTube videos of what they got. You know what I mean? It's several different ways that people do the same thing or try to achieve the same. So what are we doing? Tightening the cam?
Tighten the ass so cams. Believe it or not, it's not a torque spit to it. But any real motherfucker feel it anyway.
Hey, come here. You gotta look at this.
It's all right. I've already seen it.
If you're afraid of heights, why do you get seats up here?
Because they're the best. Is there anything else, sir? No.
That's how you do it.
So, you said this isn't Italian. So how am I gonna know what they're saying? These are broken. Mine are broken.
That's okay.
It's always when you leave something.
Music's very powerful.
I've used it 30 times today.
There's a band.
People's reactions to opera for some
I'm looking for that 20 minutes ago.
They either loved it or they hated
It
Yeah, big tires, bro.
it.
Not, yeah, it fell.
Love to get lost up under there.
Alright, yay!
Nice.
What I think,
Four
29?
wheel or a track?
29?
Yeah, four wheel or a track, though.
I'm trying to do both. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Now, the main thing, put it back at top that center again. You want to keep making sure. But little cheap way is I know that this keyway is supposed to be at a 12 o'clock angle. Right in between here, that little spot right there will be flat. And there's another line on the other side that'll be flat like that too. So, the cheater way will be, yeah. 12 o'clock position. Now, right. Well, of
Go
course,
the other way.
but the cam box what makes it want to go left or right. But that's top dead center. If you will look, I bet you that little where the two cases meet, and it's a line. You have to come on this side of it. It actually says
TDC.
yes, right there, and it's right where the cases meet, as you can see. So there's two ways you can verify.
Go around. Go this way.
Right. Well, no, yeah, I mean, shit. I know it's
So good, I almost peed my pants.
And that's going to do that.
Pirates of Penzance.
That don't. This is bolted behind here. This side. The other side pops in, and it's wedged in between the head and.
Yeah, they don't come up here no more.
Nah. Right. Right. Tommy chain guy.
Yeah. The old over Tony chain.
Right. That's why that one's still on.
Right, because it don't come off. Well, because on the crank.
Right. And if you drop it, you better hit the old shit, but
Yes, sir.
dig it out. But yeah, this Polaris gets a little weird too. Like, it got a water passage and shit that goes all the way. All this is water passage. Water passage. Little piston slap for you.
Little ring.
Damn, both sides gonna ring. Yeah, but look, both sides gone, man.
And then the cylinder walls. Oh,
yeah.
Never mind.
Yeah, she shot all the way across.
This is home.
And then we got some little chunks of piston right here.
That's probably from that pitch. Oh, no, that's from
Nah,
that.
that's from that side. That's how you, man, that's tall tale sign definitely at the time of it.
5G access included for just $35 a line. All in America's largest 5G network at no extra charge.
And then this is the 93 octane.
Okay. Oh, geez.
I got the clutch just soaking for your sneak peek.
Yeah, I seen look. I seen the case. If you get high performance clutch.
Tuss Nation.
Oh, Tuss high performance. Oh yeah, she ready. Little Willie action coming soon. Yeah, I gotta put some of the Willie videos with the Tuss high performance springs. Wait. Oh yeah, the video also coming soon. Ooh-wee. This one came a long way.